Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Shalomi, and today I have a quick little DIY for you on this beautiful C that I scored recently at HomeSense that I featured in my last haul. Here are the items that you will need for this DIY. You will need these beautiful adhesive mirror sheets. I got these from the Dollarama. They're only $1.50, but they are super hard to find. I saw my YouTube sister Petal is Blessed using these same adhesive sheets to do some amazing things on her channel, so go on over there and check her out. The next thing you will need is your E6000 glue, an X-Acto knife, but in this case I'm actually using a box cutter because I cannot find my X-Acto knife at this time, but it does the same thing, the sharp edge that you will need to cut along the mirror. Do not use scissors because it will crack the mirror. So the first thing that I've done is I have measured out how much I will need to use. I'm doing it in parts, measured along my letter, and then I just cut to fit using the box cutter. So now I will just peel away the backing from the mirror. It has an adhesive strip on the back where you can just basically peel and apply, but just for extra reinforcement, I am going to add my E6000 glue because I want this bad boy to stay in place without shifting. So just add your E6000 on the back. And then I'm just going to place it along my letter. Hold it firmly in place, press it in for a few seconds, and that's it. And I will keep going around this letter until it's completely done. Okay, Penny Pinchers, so I have worked my way around quite a bit, but just wanted you to see this piece. This part right here is a little bit tricky because I want the mirror to take the natural shape of the letter itself, and I have like almost like a curve here, so I want to show you how I accomplish that. So first, before removing the adhesive backing from it, I just measure it out, sit it down, and what I do is I bend the sheet right where the natural curve is. So I just bend it down. So I have that natural slant on the side, bend it, mark it, and then that's the piece that I will cut, and it will take the natural shape of this piece right here. Okay, Penny Pinchers, so we are on the home stretch, and what I have done is I have cut, measured and cut strips of 2 mirror per strip, and what I'm doing is I am working on filling in just the edges of it, and once I have the edges filled in, we will be done, and I will come back and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, Penny Pinchers, here is the final look of my all glammed out letter C with the mirror sheets that I used from the Dollarama. I used a total of 8 sheets, so that would cost $12. They were $1.50 per pack. And then the C that I showed you in my haul that I got from HomeSense was on clearance for $2. So $14 for this beauty right here. I am very pleased with the way it turned out. It is absolutely gorgeous. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you like it. And until next time, love you, love you, love you. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.